A 2.5 spacer lift from Eurowise, along with a 1-inch subframe drop from Eurowise as well, just to help the axle geometry to get back in alignment. The car is sitting on 265/65/18 Nitto Ridge grapplers. I think it's a very great tire, best bang for your buck, along with our OEM 18-inch 18x8 ET56 Audi wheels. Tubular upper control arms from Eurowise. I cracked the OEM ones, and even if I wanted to upgrade, I chose to make them to poly. .30mm spacers all around, just to widen the track a little bit. And since no one really in these cars has experimented in modifying for not extreme off-roading, but just, you know, being trail ready, I didn't know what tire size to go in. These are essentially 31.6s in terms of diameters, and anything bigger than this is going to require like extensive trimming and moving the intercoolers up front, to which Eurowise sells a bracket. I can't forget the nightlight ditch lights that I got from Amazon. All in all, it was like $37–40. They are 70 watts, LED yellow, which at night illuminates by far a lot. Compared to just your regular headlights and fog lights, they help extensively, especially on trails where it's pitch black in the night. They do help a lot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed some footage of what it's like off-roading down in South Florida. I promise for a great adventure in the near future. Some plans are in the works. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our channel for what you would like to see more of. Thank you guys. Peace.